To buy XRP on Exodus wallet, you can use its built-in exchange feature or use a third-party service such as Shapeshift. Here's how to do it. Open Exodus wallet. Launch the Exodus wallet app on your device. Go to the exchange section. On the home screen, navigate to the exchange tab. Exodus offers a built-in exchange platform that integrates with services like Shapeshift and Changely for buying and swapping cryptocurrencies. Select XRP. In the exchange tab, choose XRP as the cryptocurrency you want to buy. Select the payment method. Choose payment method. If using fiat currency, you may need to connect an external payment processor like Simplex to buy XRP directly with your credit or debit card. If buying with crypto, you will select the coin from your Exodus wallet to exchange for XRP. Confirm the transaction. After selecting the amount of XRP you want to purchase, review the details of the transaction, including the fees. Confirm the transaction, and the XRP will be added to your Exodus wallet once processed. Check your XRP balance. Go to the wallet tab in Exodus, and you should see the XRP added to your balance once the transaction is completed.